Alberta Arts District is one of Portland's most distinctive neighborhoods. It's full of so much character, charm, and creativity. What's really cool about the Alberta Arts District is it's one of the first streets in Portland to be revamped, probably in the mid to late 90s. It's a street where people who grew up in this neighborhood in the 60s, 70s, and 80s were the ones who then purchased the real estate, the commercial property, and took on the renovations and the revamping of the actual street. Alberta is such an eclectic mix of new development and old development, and there's plenty of historical storefronts, but there's also a lot of interesting amenities for people who want to live in this area. There's a lot of artists and art studios that line the streets. You have wonderful food. There's a fantastic restaurant scene in Alberta. When people ask me about what's one of the most quintessential Portland neighborhoods, this is the one that I think of. Alberta runs east to west, and it is located in Northeast Portland. You're also very close to Killingsworth and Concordia, and also the Woodland Triangle. You also have proximity to North Portland. This is, to me, one of my favorite streets. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods, especially if you want to move to Portland and you want that lifestyle. I am going to take us around Alberta. We're going to visit multiple cafes. Like my other videos, when we do neighborhood tours, a lot of it's going to be pretty quiet. I have two homes that we will be touring, the exterior and the interior, and they're both fabulous historical Alberta homes. So please hang out with me, come along with me, and let's explore this fantastic neighborhood. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks so much.
Rock, paper, scissors. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, wow, look at that.
One of the things that I love so much about this neighborhood is just the community. You're going to see creative art studios, and you're also going to see some great murals too. So anyway, that's just a little sidebar, and let's get on with the tour. This is the Alberta Arts District house tour number 1. We have a 1908 Craftsman Foursquare that has been lovingly maintained. It has so much original character. What I love so much about this house is not only the original character, but you are on almost a quarter acre of land. For being right off of Alberta and in Northeast Portland, this is pretty rare to have this much land. This would be the most epic urban homestead plot if you wanted to keep the home and using the land surrounding it for growing. I also love that there's a full basement that actually has really high ceilings, so you can turn that into a potential ADU. And there is so much that can be done. So come on with me and I will show you the inside of this beautiful 1908 historical Portland Craftsman. Welcome to this enchanting historic Foursquare. The interior remains wonderfully intact. Original hardwoods, exquisite moldings, and woodwork that's never been painted, only lovingly preserved. The natural stain brings out such warmth, yet the room feels bright, open, and full of light. This home invites the imagination, a restoration dream where history meets thoughtful updates. Picture classic wallpapers, plush rugs, soft-hued sofas, maybe a touch of stained glass. The kitchen brings a perfect balance of heritage and modernity, with updated cabinetry, a farmhouse sink, and my favorite touch, a robin's egg blue Star range. An impressive solid wood staircase with a richly carved banister leads to an airy landing that connects two spacious, light-filled bedrooms. There's an updated bathroom and a third room ready to become a luxurious ensuite. Downstairs, a large basement with high ceilings offers endless potential, and outside, that stunning wraparound porch steals the show. Whether you're hosting friends or quietly sipping your morning coffee as the rain falls, it's pure Portland luxury. The lot itself is huge, ideal for gardening, homesteading, or even a few chickens and bees. Just minutes from Alberta Street, this is the ultimate urban farmstead, ready to shine in every season. If you'd like to tour this remarkable home, call or text me at 503-597-8660. Here we are at house tour number 2. We are in the heart of the Alberta Arts District. This is a 1940s bungalow that has been meticulously updated. The finishes are beautiful. It is so bright and white and elegant inside. You have an abundance of natural light coming in through the windows. You have 2 really cool features. You have a finished attic, has an ample amount of space. You also have a finished basement that I believe at one point was an ADU with rental income. So that has been completely finished as well. We are just a few blocks from Alberta. It is so clean. It is so beautiful. The landscaping is fantastic. It's perfect for entertaining. You have a great sized yard. You're on a good chunk of land, just like our previous house. It's difficult to find this amount of land at such proximity to Alberta and especially in North Portland. Let me show you how amazing this lovely 1940s bungalow truly is. Welcome to this lovely updated bungalow in the heart of Alberta. With over 2,700 square feet of living space, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home perfectly balances modern comfort with vintage Portland charm. As you step inside, you're greeted by a bright and beautiful living room featuring a stunning fireplace, original hardwood floors, and large picture windows that fill the space with natural light. The kitchen has been tastefully updated with stylish tile work, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Down the hall, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms with plenty of storage and a renovated ultra-chic bathroom. Upstairs, the finished attic offers flexible space for a home office, playroom, or creative studio. The lower level is a showstopper, fully finished with a kitchenette, living area with a cozy fireplace, full bathroom, and private bedroom. It's ideal for multi-generational living, an in-law suite, or potential rental income. Step outside to an expansive backyard with a lush lawn, mature landscaping for privacy, and a dedicated entertaining area for barbecues and gatherings. You'll also find a detached garage and plenty of parking both on and off street. With a new roof, central updated utilities, and endless charm, this Alberta Arts Cottage sanctuary is truly move-in ready. For a private showing, you can call or text me at 503-597-8660. Your Alberta Arts Cottage sanctuary awaits.